Hello YouTube, and today I have for you a lot of 7 coins from Saarland. Was purchased at $43.77, and up until a couple of weeks ago I never heard of Saarland, but Saarland was an independent autonomous country or region. During World War II it was part of Germany, and after World War II it was a French protectorate that had some autonomy, and in fact it was autonomous until 1957 when in a referendum it voted to join West Germany, but it still produced its own coins up until 1959. So let's see what we got here. A consumer-proof wrapping job. Okay, very nice and individual wrapped bags there. Okay, here we are, all 7 coins. We have 3 100 franken coins, all of them 1955. 1 50 franken, 1954. 2 20 franken, 1954, and 1 10 franken, 1954. All of them are in pretty good shape. I would say they're all probably XF quality. So the 100 franken are worth about $7 each. 50 franken is worth $15 in XF quality. The 20 franken are worth $4.30 in that quality. And the 10 franken is worth $4 in that quality. So, totally, I paid around $43 for this coin lot, and they're worth about $48.60 total. So I didn't make a great profit on these, but still they will valuate with time. And I really like the look of these coins, and this is an area and a region that I had never heard of until a couple of weeks ago. So if you like this video, please like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.